Welcome to another experiment using golden products. In my last video I used only the golden fluid, and in this one I am going to be trying using only golden high flow instead of mixing both brands in the same painting, because I want to learn about it on its own. How does it react? What does it do compared to the golden fluid on its own? So I am totally hooked on black, white, +1 color. My +1 color today is going to be yellow. Now, so much more to come of these black, white, and 1 color paintings. If you follow me on my social media, you've probably seen a few, or you will be seeing some in the near future. I love it. And I'll be using the Liquitex pouring medium and some GAC 800, which is now also one of my favorite products. It does exactly what it says that it does. It reduces crazing. It helps, I find, because of the amount of pouring medium that's used, it helps it dry smoothly. When I was using at first the airbrush medium, I would not always get a perfectly smooth painting. And I think that's because of the amount of pouring medium. And I've also heard that before from another artist, so I'm not just talking out of my hat here. And well, after using it, I got proof. My paintings are like super smooth. So loving this, and we'll see how this goes on its own. So let me just set myself up here, and I'm going for this. So this is about 20 minutes later. It changed a lot. I could see the huge difference in using the golden fluid on its own and the high flow on its own. You can see that it created cells like crazy, and they're still there. There is an ingredient that is in the golden high flow that is not in the golden fluid that reacts with the pouring medium and the GAC 800 and works. Oh, it works. Check out the madness. Now the yellow and the black created green, but I mean, that's nothing new there. But I have to admit, it bothers me much less than with other brands. It kind of gives it like a shadow there. This is so cool. I am going to be trying just the high flow again for sure with other colors. No silicone, no alcohol, in case anyone asks. Please don't ask if I use silicone. Please. And by the way, those brain cells up there, these ones here, I am 99% sure that those were created because of the white paint that I painted my sides with. I know that might sound weird because the paint was dry, but I've seen that happen before, only in the corners where there was already paint there. Madness. I love it. All right, so stay tuned for the dried result. All right, guys, so I'm back with the dried and resin result. I decided to give this one a resin coating because I just love it so much. Gosh, I'm stepping on so many art supplies. My art room is too small. Check it out though. It's perfect. I love it. And I figured while I'm here, why not show you guys two other ones that I did. Now you can see from the reflection there which one has resin and which one doesn't, right? This one here, this is just natural, no varnish, nothing. Looks kind of cool, right? And I used that same color on this one over here. Now this one I love. But this is the winner. I can't believe how beautiful this is. And you can see that the yellow, you can see more green, right? The yellow is like transparent. It seeped in. And some of the white took over there. You can see the white took over and the black also did. But it gives it so much depth. Dude, this is so cool. Okay, I'm gonna try not to kill myself here. Okay. So, new paintings up for sale super soon. You can check out my website if you want. I've got a new blog post also that I posted recently where I talk about golden products, and I have a gallery there. I'll try to update it as often as I can. All right, bye guys. Have a good one.